Hello guys, I hope you are all doing well. So in today's video I decided to film a bit different because I realized that the quality of the camera is not the best, and when I'm watching this type of videos, what I normally like to do is just to see the charms properly, all the detail. So I felt like it wasn't really fair for me to be posting videos related with Pandora or any other type of jewelry that I really like if you guys are unable to see the proper details. So unfortunately I will be not showing myself in this video, but I do hope you guys enjoy. I prepared this little scenario for you guys, so I hope you truly enjoy this video. What we'll be doing today is we'll be building my gold and silver bracelet. So we'll be playing with a few charms. So if you do want to see how I'll build my bracelet, just make sure you keep watching. Okay, so the bracelet that I have is this one here. Okay. And I already put the keychain, so the safety chain, sorry. So we don't need to worry about that. So that's already on. And I have here a few of the charms that I will be playing with. What I will do, I'm actually going to take the charms that I will not be using. So just bear with me. Okay, so this is the charms that we'll be playing with. This one here, it just says my name. I think I'll probably go for the heart. So this heart here, this one. Let's do that. Let's go for the heart. Okay, so same process really. I don't think there is no specific way, or maybe I'm wrong, to build your bracelet. I just do how I like, really. Look how pretty this looks. It looks really nice, isn't it? It looks absolutely stunning. So that's that. Let's put that one. Let's put this one here. It's gonna take a bit longer. That's that. Followed by, oh, I forgot about the clips. Oh, okay. So maybe we need to put a clip now, isn't it? Is it? Yeah, we need to put a clip now. Okay, I'll be putting this clip here. You don't want to focus? Yeah, I'll put the clip. Now, what I need to find is a little thingy to open, because I'm not using my nails. Okay, I have it. So if you get one of these, it's really, really helpful. It just helps you really to open your clips, your bracelet, whatever. You just do like that, and voila, that's all done. So I'll just put this here. Can you see now I have all of this space here? I should have put a charm. I have all of this space. Ugh. Should I take the clip and put a charm? Okay. Actually, I don't know, because I don't even. Yeah, let's take it off. Let's take it off. Just a second. It, and we'll put another charm for instance, we can put I don't have that many options anyway. We can put another clip. Okay, let's put this. This is not a clip, this is a spacer, sorry. Let me focus for you. Doesn't want to focus. I don't know why I'm not focusing. Okay, there we go. So this is a spacer. By the way, this was £70, but if you go online now, when I got it back ages ago, but if you go online now, there is a promotion, and I think it's £13.99 or something like that. So if you do want to build a gold and silver bracelet, you can go and purchase that. Anyway, I just thought I'd mention that. And now I can put the clip. So right, now let's do the middle section. I'll be putting my birthday cake first. You guys have seen the birthday cake, is really nice. Birthday cake with flowers on top, just like that. So I'll be putting my birthday cake. It's a bit tricky. Okay, so that's that. Birthday cake. Now I need another one, which could be which one I need another one with the crown. No, we can put the heart. Put the heart. Yes, my heart, the one that has my name on it. So put the heart. Okay. And after we'll be putting, this is, what is this called? The name is not coming to me. Let me see if I can see it online. Oh, I remember now. The birthstone. So this is my birthstone. For those of you who don't know, my birthday is in November. So it goes really well because it contains both colors. So I was lucky in that sense. I was actually very lucky in that sense, really, because if it was blue or anything like that, I wouldn't put it here. It wouldn't look nice. But it looks really nice. I absolutely love it. It looks stunning. Look how pretty that looks. Gorgeous. So now we'll put the crown, because I'm a princess. I mean, I'm a queen. What was this? Joking, but anyway. And okay, we have a little problem here. We have I'll have to put the clip now. Okay, let me just put this bracelet here. So I need to put, this is my other clip that I have, which is two-tone as well. What I do when it comes to the clips, you'll be seeing the more videos that I will show you related to Pandora. When it comes to the clips and the charms, I never get the same charms and I never get the same clips. But that's just my opinion and my preference anyway. I just think it's a bit silly in the sense that, I don't know, I'm just paying for the same thing twice. So yeah, if one day if I'll actually show you my collection, which I actually did previously in one of the videos, but when I update my collection, you'll see that all my charms, rose gold charms, my gold and silver charms, my silver charms, any type of charms that I have, they're all different. I don't have the same charms because even if it's a different material, I don't have it. I just think it's a bit silly. But anyway, so that's that's that. As you can see, now what we will do, I have this little spacer. Actually, I'll put this one here. This one what do you call it? What I did with this one, I ordered online. So, and I put my family's name on it. So I have my mom's name, my sister's name, and my dad's name. And it just says family, which is gold and silver as well. And I feel like that was really cute. So it's one thing that I really like about Pandora is the fact that you can actually personalize your charms. So look how pretty this looks. This bracelet is looking really nice. I'll focus everything in a minute so you can then see. And last, we will then put this charm here. It's not charm, sorry, this spacer. I have another charm actually, but I don't know if I want to add it here, because actually I should add this in the middle, which is this one, the lock. I should have added in the middle or something, which I didn't, and I don't want to take them off. I'll put it at the end, I guess. I'll just put it at the end. Yeah, I'm just going to put it at the end. But this wasn't even for this bracelet, because normally I buy specific charms to do different bracelets. Anyway, that's finished. Now it's complete. I still need one, well, I would say 2 more charms. I'll show you the space that I have. Yeah, I would say 2 more charms, or 1 charm and 2 spacers, something like that. That's the space that I have at the moment available for this bracelet. But yeah, so let me just show you the final result.